I'm Alex Teich, and I made a book about Montrose. There was this amazing walking tour of the neighborhood published in 1979, and I followed that tour last year and I drew what I saw. Some of what's pointed out in the tour is still there, some of it isn't. And I also talked some people into sharing their memories about the places. I talked to John Runnels, who started Mother Dog Studios in the Warehouse District. He had been a traveling salesman, and he lived on Avondale, and he remembers the nightlife there. I talked to Deborah Danberg, who was a representative in the state legislature, and Monty Large, who now runs Axelrad, that bar in Alabama, and several others. It's not a history of the neighborhood. It's an attempt to get closer to what you see when you walk around. And for me personally, it's also a way of coming to terms with nostalgia. Nostalgia is this, feeling of incompletion. Actually hearing from those people and connecting their stories with the places, to me, that's the missing piece that completes the idea of the past and allows me to be at peace. So I was personally motivated in that way to put these interview bits actually on the places they go with. The theme of Zine Fest this year is germination, which I've been thinking about, and people have done a lot with this neighborhood over the years. They've recognized it as a zone of possibility. They've made meaning in their lives through interaction with their neighborhood. Wherever we live, if it's not actually just a suburb designed for efficiency and personal space and that's it, it's going to have that same potential. But for that to work, I think you have to get out of your car sometimes and walk. And when we walk, we happen upon things in our environment. So this is a theme in the book too, unlocking the place where you live. And I think walking is one of the seeds that, if I may be so bold, can germinate in that realization of that potential.